What if the problem was never a lack of opportunity, but a lack of perspective? What if the reason so many people struggle financially isn't because they don't work hard, but because they're working in the wrong currency, with the wrong mindset? Welcome to the dollar mindset. This is not a get-rich-quick fantasy. This is not hype, and this is not another motivational speech that excites you for a moment and leaves you exactly where you started. This is a shift in thinking, a mental upgrade. A new way of seeing money, work, and opportunity in a digital world, because in today's economy, money no longer belongs to a location. It belongs to value. And the people who understand this earn globally. They earn in dollars, euros, and pounds while living anywhere in the world. The dollar mindset is not about where you live. It's about how you think. The internet has quietly rewritten the rules of income. It has erased borders. It has leveled the playing field, and it has created an opportunity unlike anything in human history. Today, someone with a laptop and an internet connection can earn more than people working traditional jobs for decades, not because they are lucky, but because they understand how global money flows. The dollar is not just currency. It is leverage. In many parts of the world, earning even a modest amount in dollars can completely change a person's financial reality. What feels like small money in one country becomes life-changing income in another. $10 an hour, $20 per task, $100 for a single project. For some, it's disposable income. For others, it's rent, food, security, and freedom. The internet didn't just connect people, it connected economies. Suddenly, a graphic designer in Africa can work for a startup in California. A writer in Asia can get paid by a brand in Europe. A video editor in South America can earn more online than local corporate jobs could ever offer. Why? Because they're still thinking locally in a global world. Most people were raised with a simple formula: go to school, get a job, work hard, earn a living. That formula worked in a time when jobs were local and competition was limited. But today, that same formula is broken. You are no longer competing with just the people in your city. You are competing with the world. Hard work without leverage leads to burnout. Effort without exposure leads to frustration. The new economy rewards those who understand one simple truth: income follows value, not effort. The moment you stop asking, "How hard can I work?" and start asking, "How much value can I create?" everything changes. Local thinking sounds like this: there are no opportunities here. People don't pay well. This won't work in my country. Global thinking sounds like this: who needs this skill anywhere in the world? How can I deliver this remotely? How do I get paid in dollars instead of excuses? The moment you shift from local thinking to global thinking, your income ceiling disappears. The dollar mindset is built on a few core principles. First, value always comes before money. People don't get paid for trying. They get paid for solving problems. Second, skills matter more than certificates. The internet doesn't care where you went to school. It only cares if you can deliver results. Third, systems beat hustle. Working nonstop will keep you busy. Building systems will set you free. Fourth, currency is a strategy. You don't need to relocate to earn globally. You just need to position yourself correctly. And finally, consistency beats motivation. Motivation fades, systems don't. People who earn dollars online are not chasing money. They're building value engines. There are multiple paths to earning in dollars online, and none of them are magic. Freelancing is one of the most direct routes. Writers, designers, video editors, voiceover artists, web developers, virtual assistants. People are paying for skills every single day. Content creation's another powerful model. YouTube channels that never show faces, blogs that answer questions people are already searching for, podcasts that build authority. The income comes from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Digital products change the game entirely. Create once, sell forever. Ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, systems, remote jobs are also exploding. Companies are hiring globally for customer support, research, social media management, and tech roles. And then there are online business models. Affiliate marketing, print on demand, drop shipping, software, tools. The options are endless, but the principle is the same. Solve a problem, deliver value, get paid in dollars. So why do most people fail? They quit too early. They expect instant results. They jump from one idea to another. They want outcomes without patience. The dollar mindset requires discipline. It requires focus. And it requires understanding that success online compounds slowly until it doesn't. You don't need 10 income streams. You need one working system. Building your first dollar system is simpler than most people think. Choose one skill, something that can be learned in a few months. Learn from free resources. Practice publicly. Show your progress. Apply to platforms where people already pay in dollars. Refine your approach. Improve your delivery. Then, scale. Raise prices. Build systems. Outsource. This is not luck. This is alignment. The biggest shift you must make is mental. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a problem solver. Stop asking, how much will they pay me? Start asking, how much value can I deliver? Your mindset determines your market. Your market determines your income. The future belongs to digital earners, to those who understand that borders no longer limit opportunity. The dollar mindset is not about greed. It's about freedom. Freedom of location, freedom of time, freedom of choice. Once you crack the code, you never look at money the same way again. But here's the truth most people never hear. Earning in dollars online is not reserved for a special group of people. It is not controlled by age, background, country, or connections. It is controlled by decision. The decision to stop waiting for permission. The decision to stop blaming circumstances. The decision to stop consuming endlessly and start creating intentionally. Every skill you admire was once learned. Every online earner you look up to once started with 0 clients, 0 audience, and 0 income. The only difference is that they started before they felt ready. They understood that clarity comes from action, not thinking. That confidence is built by doing, not waiting. And that the internet rewards those who show up consistently, even when no one is watching. The dollar mindset is not about shortcuts. It's about direction. When you align your effort with global demand, your work begins to compound. Your skills sharpen. Your confidence grows. And slowly, opportunity starts finding you. You stop chasing money. Money starts responding to value. This journey won't always be easy. There will be rejection. There will be silence. There will be moments when quitting feels like the smarter option. But every system that changes a life starts with discomfort. The moment you realize you don't need permission to earn globally. The moment you stop asking if it's possible and start asking how to make it inevitable, that's when everything changes. The dollar mindset is not a destination. It's a way of thinking you carry with you. No matter where you live, no matter where you start, no matter how long it takes. Because once you learn how to earn value-based income online, you are no longer limited by borders, employers, or broken systems. You become global. You become scalable. You become free. And that freedom starts with a single choice. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, and comment.